Introducing ZLINE's new Column Wine Cooler. In this video, we'll walk you through how to operate the unit, adjust settings, and make the most of its features. Press the on-off button for 3 seconds to turn the unit on or off. To prevent accidental changes, you can lock the control panel. To lock the panel, press the light button and the temp display change button simultaneously. When the controls are locked, the display will flash for 3 seconds if any input is attempted. To unlock the panel, press the light button and the temp display change button simultaneously. The ZLINE Wine Column features multiple temperature zones to accommodate different types of wine. To adjust the temperature, simply determine which zone you would like to change and press the control arrows to increase or decrease the desired temperature. This wine cooler features color-changing LED lighting, which is controlled by opening and closing the door. To change the color, press the light button to toggle from amber to blue to white to off. Exhibition mode allows for the light to be on, whether the door is open or closed. To turn on this feature, press and hold the light button for 5 seconds. The display will show ON for 5 seconds and will stay on for 30 seconds after closing the door. In exhibition mode, the brightness level can be adjusted. While the display shows ON, the up and down arrows can be pressed to adjust the brightness through 7 different levels. Press and hold the light button again for 5 seconds. The display will show OF for 5 seconds. To enter or exit Sabbath mode, press and hold the Sabbath mode button for 5 seconds. When this is enabled, the cooling system will operate normally. The lights, display, tones, and alarms will be disabled. Sabbath mode automatically turns off after 96 hours, unless disabled manually. To enable showroom mode, ensure the power to the unit is off. Then press and hold the power button and the Sabbath mode button at the same time for 5 seconds. While this is enabled, cooling will be disabled while all other functions remain active. Lastly, there are 3 carbon filters in this unit, and they are located in each zone of the wine cooler. To remove the carbon filter, simply turn the filter counterclockwise and pull out. To replace the filter, insert the new filter and turn clockwise. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview helps you better understand the appliance's features and functionality of ZLINE's new Column Wine Cooler.